Maloi lau mali e aho e ki mo le i Tonga kutoa, fia ki talitali le ki mo tolo, ki homo ngahi o ngongo mo le te okai o maa foki, a e televisione Tonga ki he hoani, i he wakaikoia ki ngahi ulo i o ngongo. Ngā ue a e wa apule wheu ngai poto ngā ue whakatau aki mo langa whakalakalaka whaikanomika, ki ona wakai i ngai pausa, ne nau tāponi tuku aki i o kumahai loloro Tonga aku kei toi ke hika i tali, ke toki hiki ai totongi. Whakaivia he kaupulea ko me kauwhaia ko ako anga Egg Community School ai tau kei mo ilo e whanau wako ki hana whokotuha nau business i tau taha ke te koni ki o nau kaha o. Pe atata mo e hae fia e ka inga i koulo ha apai he whaiwhaiangi ko iai ha anau holo whakakolo pe senta hufanga anga ke nau unga kiai hili e to koni me he pule anga si apani. O kutoi ei pe ngā hitala noa kehe ana iangi pehe ai tau wakai ki ngā hiongongo me he malae o e sipoti kai uma ai to o ngā oi ea. Ko e wakailewa e niki he whakai ki iki, ko aulili ani polutele. Na ele ko te hapule a ngā ai pausa e ua i he ahotu site ke tā puni o pehe ko e maha ai lolo. Ka nau tokanga i he nau toi na e loi ai maha koe ni, o mahalo ina e tāpuni pe ke nau toki hokoa ti hono ngai aki to tongi fo e koloa lolo ani afi. Hili hono whakaha koe ia ai hiki lahi koe ni o ku hoko ki ngahi koloa lolo i he mahina koe ia ko e peleli. Ka tau wakaiangehe ki he whakai ki iki. I me ai e ki palemia no pele whawhanua lo rotonga whakataha me ka whaiongo ngā niafi. Koe ngahi pausa ku nau tāpuni o tāla ku mahai lolo rotonga pe ku nau kei whainga maali e whakalolo. Ka koe hika tali ki e hiki e totongi lolo o ku tae whakalao.
Ka pate mo whatonga i nei tāpuni pausa e ua a niafi. Koe lau ia kou mahai u pausa ku loia. Koe uhi mahalo ka hanau tāpuni pe anau tō ka nau tōka awa e hiki koe lolo e haoni. Ka koe ngahi mea koe ia ke mo whatonga i o ku siofi e competent authority ko uhi tai whakalao. Koe aho ko ku holo ai lolo whi mau ke nau wawa. Koe aho ko mamawhai lolo whi mau ke nau wawa. Koe uhi ko essential service. Peo kike whi mau ia ke nau tāpuni pe he taim koku maa ai ka nau toki awa he taim koku maa ai lolo. Ai ko atpe ko hiko e tonga ko tau iau tau o mateu apito e pureanga paka tonga ko ke ai lolo o whawhia maari he ahoni paka uhinga tau ke ilan matai.
Ke heu whai ngā ue ki ngahi pausa ku nga whakahoko ngā ue ta e whakalauni ki ono tāpuni e nau pausa makatuunga ko e tali ki he hiki ai totongi.
Nei whahoko mai competent authority e whahoko pena whatotolo ki ai pe i he raki mau o e nau policy mo e tutu ngā we koe warning pe af ka nau tolu ka e whai pe ono si o whaof ki nau tolu.
Mahino pe koe mea tawa taina pe e ngahi business i Tonga ni ke pule i nau taimi tāpuni mo whakawa ka koe toka ngai wa apule wheu ngai pule anga pe wa apule wheu ngā mo e pule anga koe hika ka veinga ki hono tāpuni o makatuunga koe tali ki te toki hiki e totongi, ai ane whamala ala heni ki ai e pule lahi e poto ngā ue whakatau aki mo e langa whakalakalaka whaikanomika testa koe tu i halamaka.
Mea koe whikau aki mo taimi awa mo taimi tāpune a business i tongani koe mea tata pia ngai business i. Ka koe papale mahe taimi ko o nau tāpune ai ko uhinga ke tā ofe whakatau lolo ka tari ki ulewa ke hiki hake tatoangi ka nau tok whakawa. Koe konga i au kuhala. Koe konga i koe o ku wai lao e taha e toka ngai kina e pontu ngā we koe ni. Ai koe lao e koe consumer protection. E lao koe ia e lawa lao ngai hanga tonu mai ke poru ngā we. Koe whai lewa e poru ngā we ngai whakatoka ngā koe ni kou kwhai.
Lolotonga ni neo ngoi ke ilanu mata ato ngani he o ngā oilolo ka aku whai pe ai mateu teu e pule anga ki ha taimi kauhi ka whai whaiange o ko kei hoko hoka atu pe ai tau i haha ke loto. Ka koe nau tokanga i taimi ni ke ka mata lewa ai whakapoto i hono ngai aki o koloa lolo mo hono whakahoko e ngahi ngawe e malawa ke whasisi e hono ngai aki lolo hange koia kono ngai aki e paskala mo e lue aki nau toro no whoofi atu hono ngahi ofisi pe whare loto. O kulorotonga ka wata tongani i he ngāhia lelea i he le volo maolunga i he kautaha e pule anganga whakatahataha i New York e Amerika i hea honi koe konga ai whakataha hono tolu i komisoni tō ngai kina i lea pau ki ona malu i koe iai mea mo ui o seni. Ko e whakaiki ki mo senolita tui vai.
O kūtaki atu i whataha angani ang pastoa tongani ke kautaha pulenga whatahataha, His Excellency wa inga tōne. Ofisa maalunga mehe ofise a Tenseniale, Rose Kautoke, pehe ke ofisa maalunga mehe wa a takai potungai meidek mawhile o maa ngisi. Ko e tau mua e whakatahalahi ko e ni ke whakahoko hali a pau ke hawhaunga ngā aue whakahoko, pea moe paanga o kwhia maa o ke whakahoko aki ai ngā aue. Ko e ngawe ko e ni kono toka ngai kine ngahi wesia tamaki o kuhoko ke ngahi mea mo ui o se ni. Nā e tau kawe iai e tōne e ngahi whanua langalanga hake o ka wai mo tongani ai mahu inga ai o se ni ki hono tataki mo hono tauhi ai kakai o Pasifiki ka uhi koe mo anga mo ui lahi taha ia ai kakai i nofo whaka aho. O ka e tui ko hiria lelea ko e ni e malawa ke pule lele ngahi tutu uni ngā ue whawaa pule anga mo e paanga o kua hei ke tokonia ai tauhi o se ni ke mo ui lelei ke inasi ai ai ngai whanua i ki ange o kawai mo tongani.
Ko hika mahu inga ke whakaivia mo whakatupu ngahi ilo mo hatau kei o i ngahi ngā ue whotu o business i tau taha i tongani. O ko kei longa mo ui ai ngā ue ai kaupule ako, koe kauwhai ako, koe api ako, koe a community school i hono whaloloto ilo pea moe mohu whakakaukau koia i nau whanau me form taha ki e whitu ka hiko e nau whenga ke nau malawa pe i he kaha o whotu ha nau business i motokoni ki he tuunga wha ekonomika o nau ngahi family moe whanua whakaluku fua. Ko hili eni hono whakahoko e he ako anga hapolo kalama whamaketi pe market day a neawhi i holo whamanatu o koini salote o whali ali pe whakatawa tua i ngai koloa a e ni nau ngauhi mo whotuutu o mga tuunga mei he tale niti pe poto ko ia ni nau wakolo rotonga ai tau. I ono whaaki eke hongo mai le tio tonga ai pule ako ko ia oe ako anga community school ke thuin to pona ni pehi nei kai ko polo kalama eni ne toki ako i hake pe i ngā he fomu ki olunga ka ne os whai pe hono whawai mo hono ako i oi whanau mei he fomu taha tau te whito ki hono whamama whai ki te ki nao toru e mahu inga oi paanga ki he nofo e family mo hono ako i ki nao toru i le sonifika ki hono lau ko ia oi paanga i hina wao ki he fomu wha mo e whitu o kua ko iai ki nao tolu ki a ngai tau kei ki hono whalele o businessi pehe ki hono whai ai ki nao tolu ki nao toe mohu fau ngangi i hono whotu ha ngai whakakau fo o ki e nao businessi kua fau ngā e whakarakalaka e nao whiau auhi mo ngai businessi tau taha ki he mo ngahi elia ki he pe ki nao toe mateu te wange ki hono whotu whakalele pe ngā we i mo whakarakalaka e nao ngahi businessi i e mahino ko lahi ai ngahi businessi tau taha kua whotu mo whakalele i tongani. Koe kotoa ngahi ilo mo tau kei ko iane whakali alia tuia mo whakatau atu i he holo whakamanato ko ni salo te aneafi a iane whaha e he pule ako o ako anga ene fia i he ola lelei ne ia i ngahi ngāwe mo te ue whanau i he mahino o gei e ola lelei mo mahu inga ki he whanau hono ako i ki nā tolu i he elia koe ni. A iane whaheni e he whawafonga i whanau ako me i he form fitu, Simon ne aho lelei ene fia mo i hounga ki te ki nā tolu, a he whatongia li o ako whai i he kau whai ako i hono ako i mo whakamama e nau ilo mo tau kei lorotonga e nau i he kolisi i he mahino koe whakawa e lelei ia ki he hoko atu e nau mo ui i he kaha o.
Mea ho lelei ia i he maketei ko ni ko te lava pe o whai pe te ngāo pe a kita. Kusono ka hau te rei au kita. E rahi whanau hene ngau willing te ngau whai e ngāo e. Ngau mao pe ngau mo ui. I e ngau ngāo e whai. Ngau businessi. Ngau ki mea whai te mao e ngau mo ui.
Mai no pe i kai ko hato ki taimi eni ke whakahoka i polo kalama market day, ai ako angani e mahino ko o si whakahoko pe ki mua i e tau kotoa, i e nā tui koe lele yangi hano tanu maki ke i ke whanau i ngahi whainga mālie, te nawa usia i he kaha o e ngahi ngāwe whapisnisi, ko e tū lohange ia e nau whenga e whai i he kaha o i a taimi te nau whotu o business e i tongani, mo takoni ki langa whakakalaka whaekonomika ai whanua. O kuge I he tuunga whawhie maliepe ai ti solo ke fo aki ai mau anga uhila o whatatau eni ke lipo ti me kautaha uhila a Tonga. Ko e hiri eni hono o hake ai kawe ngani, lolo tonga ai whataha ma kehe mo I kau whai o ngongo moe e ki palemia ane Afrika e koe whakaiki ke mo senolita toi vai.
I he whamatai ofisa maalunga me he kautaha uhila a Tonga Andrew Kautoke nane pehi. Neonga hike te tongi koloa lolo ka o kei tuuma upe to tongi uhila, maka tuunga me he kei whenga maali e lahi pe e ti solo ke whakalele aki ai uhila I he mahina e waka hoko. Na e te pe Kautoke lo tonga I ai pe palani kautaha uhila a Tonga o ka whaiwhaiange e au a Tonga ni ke levo lo ua, tolu mo e whaa. Ko pau ke ngau ake mau anga iwi malawa ke whakafo o me he la a mo e havili ke toku ngau ake pe I he taimi po uli ka hui ke taimi o lahi taha I ano ngau ake o e uhila.
Ka koe hangi pui lau ke pare mia ko le volo luaki o ku lelelei pe uhila e taimini. Ka koe ne a o koe ki he u le volo koe ni ke le volo ua tol mo e wha e holo holo wha pe seti e tau e lahi koe whia ma uhila, e fōu koe uhila ki ai. Meu whatatau pia ki ono whingai ke whakatolonga e tau mawanga iwi lolo kou fōu a koe uhila. Ka koe ne au koe ke whiawhia u iai pe whoki ai u e seti. Nea slawet pe u ngai pōka amaki mua koe u ngai maka uhila, koe kautaha uhila. Ia koe u aho koe ku sai ai iwi uhila fōu mai me he sola mo e havili. E malawa ke stoa ia e ungai maka koe ni o tuangi mai he whiawhi. Ke malawa ke whiau ai ungai whia mau hila koe ni ai kakai. Ka koe tunga lo tonga u lelelei pe uhila he taimini.
O ku mahina koe litati solo e taha po ini walu miliona o ngawe ake kautaha uhila a Tonga I he mahina ke fōu aki ai mau anga uhila. Ka aku kei whainga maali e lelei pe e ti solo ke whiau ai uhila I he mahina e ua ka hoko.
Na e tatau mo I ha ai whia mo I veke ka inga I koulo haapai I whaiwhaiange kua I ai ha holo whakakolo ke na wunga mo maluki ai o whakahoko ai e nau ngahi whakatahaanga ngā ue ka kai whiwhine mo I whakataha ke he tau tupu kai tau te whito ke nau hola o ngā maluki ai I he taimi e whakatamaki whakai na tula. Koe hili eni hono whakailonga I aniahawi I koulo ai ka kātou polokalama ngā ue pule anga siapani whakamalumalu I na polokalama ngā ue tokoni ma ai tōku I koulo pe GGP ka koe holo whakakolo mo senta hufanga anga ma ai kolo. Ia mea ai ambastoa siapani ki Tongani, His Excellency Inaka ki Hisao, koe polokalama ngā tokoni GGP, o whatau mu aia ke tokonia a ki ngā hiwhi mau vivili ka kai he tōku I kolo o ka wai e mau anga vai, mo uilelei mo ia ko. Koe whakaamu, e hoko ngā we kua lawa ke tokoni ki he ka kai koe au koulo whakataha mo nau ngā hikolo ka ngā api, I e taimu hoko ai ngai whatamaki whai na tula. I kei ngatai ka ngai aki e ni ki hono whai viai ai ngā ue ai kolo ta te whito ki he kakai whiwhine mo I tau tupu, pe ko hangahi polo kalamako ai kolo. Koe holo whakakolo whaoni ka koe whalehu whangaanga ma ai kolo o ku square mita ia e te au whitu noa o whotu ke mo e whale whimea tokoni me ngahi loki ke he pe ku os whakanau ka kato aki ki ngahi whima au whakaaho. O whaafuafua ki he tola Amerika taha mano hua kilo tupu e whaamore whapaanga ki he ngā weni. Ne whaamalo ia he kōwana leo haapai to ke tāsia le hausia ai tokoni kua whai me he pule anga siapani I he mahino tokoni lahi eni ki he malo mo e tuuloa honau kolo. O nea ngongo whaloto whanua ia mo e leti o Tonga ulua ki mo e wā ki he howani ka ngahi o ngongo me he malae o e sipoti mo pie a olie.
Maloma tau ki whelonga ki koe whakaini ki malae o e sipoti. Nē me e tama perenisi I kalauni tu poutoa ulu kālala o hopon ki e ngāhi waka pe pō pāo mo nau a alo kua whuaki ki e Nuku'alofa Outrigger and Canoe Club me I he Tasanak Aniafi. I whingai ake e sipoti o ki loa koe waa me me kautaha sipoti Olimpiki a Tonga na lawa e tokoni koe ni ke hoka tai pe e teu e whanau tareniti I he a alo. I me e tama perenisi kalauni na ne vikia e ngā ue kua whahoko ki e sipotini e koe tareniti ia pe pe aku mau inga ke puke ko ka hau ia o fonua. Na ne whamalo ia pe whingai aki whaofi e dasanok me ngai kau taha sipoti i ono paontoloa ki e tareni sipoti hako topo e fonua me mau inga e nau fia. I whamatala pe mi he ofisi o dasanok ko e konga ine tokoni me he kau taha olimpiki whawha ampure anga i e tokoni ki he whatamaki hunga tonga hunga haapai he wanoa ua. Ko e naunawa alo pe wa a koe ni na elfia ai whakamore he paanga e walu mano pe a gihono kumi e waka e fitu aia koe waka V6 e tolu ke alo e toko ono pe a mui vi urua ki he tarau toko taha koe waka e wha. Kake, o kwewhia e kalapu wa a tonga ke whamalo ia e wha ke matokoni ke sipotini tare fito gihono teke tare ni te whanau ko nau poretaki ki he mai moani. Koe sipoti pe
Ko e wakailewa e niki he tuunga o e ea, i hana tuku mai me wa awakai matangi a tonga i whamutuwha hoko atu e petelo tau laki.
Maloi lau maari e ho eiki mo le rei a tonga kotoa. Tari le rei mo tolu ki he whiawhini, whahauko te tau whamatala ea ko ia ki he whalaite le rei, aia ko a pongi ia. E te tau whaiwhanonga atu mo e au whia, uhatu mo tō, ki he kunga lahi e ni ihi o e otu tonga. Kai lahi peke alo maari e tau te whito ki he e ria ko ia Tongatapu e wa. Pea whakaau peke alo maari e be tawhitonga langi ki he ongo ni wa. Kei maa lohi au pute hawirio au ke hako ia ngai taimi. Tau te whito ni ke potahi ko ia ono muka haapai Tongatapu. Kai pe he ke potahi ko ia o tere ki tonga mo tere ki toke lau. Alo tamak uha e ku nofo ki he ongo ni wa wawau haapai. Lahi peke alo maari e ria ko ia Tongatapu e wa. I he ngahi houa ko na tau toksi tua mei ai. Whatunga ia koe whatokanga uha lahi mo tā whea o ku toku at ki he konga lahi o e otu tonga. Tau te whitoni ki he ngai vai whanua ko ia ki he whakatoke lau. Ongo ni wa wawau kai pe he ki haapai. Ka ko e whiawhia ki te mau. Tau e whatokanga koe ni, me he e ria ko ia o e ongo ni wa. Tau pea me he ngā onu whakatonga ai alo tā maki ua koe ni. Te tau toksia ki ai anai. Pea ko tahi o ku ia whatokanga hako mo whare i tokanga ki he ngahi. Waka iki, tau te whito ki po tahi koe no muka. Tongatapu e ua tere ki tonga kau maa a tere ki toke lau. Iki whaiwhanonga lo loa tu mo e whatokanga koe ni ki he ngahi potu tahi koe ni. Ah ni makon ka hauko mai, ka pate mo whatonga, me pe toka alo tā maki ua koe ni he e ria ko ia o wawau kai pehi ki haapai, ko mo alo tā maki ua tahu ngā unu hi fo ia me whakatoke lau ki ho tau e ria ki he whakao singa wiki ko ni. Tau te whito ke sāpa te mo kamata ko ia, o kamata anga ko ia wiki ka hau. Ka koe alo tā maki whatalu piki kou tau sio hat ki ai ke konga loto koe wiki ka hau o ke iai pe ai ni riu i he tau whaiwhanonga koe ni. O ngā he mea ngau e ke he, una hangna tolu o toku mai ai whamatala ke he whekau aki. Pea mo e alo tā maki whatalu piki koe ni o ngā onu mai ki he whakahihifo ko ia o e otu tonga. Ka koe whiawhini o whaiwhanonga tuai ke pongpong koe a pongpongi, lahi pike au whia. E oha tumatō malawa ki lolo lahi ke e ria ko wau kai pehe ki haapai, ka mata peke ngā onu mai e alo tā maki ko ni me e ria ko ia o yongo ni wafa au peke alo maari. Koe hawe ri mālohi a pito au ki he hako ia ngai taimi, tau te whitu ke potahi whatonga ko ia o haapai, Tongatapu e ua tere ki tonga kau maa a tere ki toke lau. Au au peke mele tahi wanoa ke wanima ke hoa ia ngai taimi. Ko e fua mawhanahana au peke maulalo taha ko te kiri se ua tolu, ua wha, ua nima, mawhana i he ngau e ko ia ki he ngā unu ko ia ke he whakatoke lau. Ka koa pongpongi i he awhalaite le rei, nofo pe alo tā maki ua ko ni e ria ko wawau kai pe he ki hapai, alo maari e pea Tongatapu e ua whainga maari ke ha ua tumo tō ai. Pea koe hongo ni ua, alo maari au pito au whia i ngai taimi, pea mamata ke whongai la i ngai taimi, vela la i ngai taimi. Pea ko e fua mawhanaena, nofo pe i he tegri se sase ua hiwa, tau te whito ki he e ria ko hapai, paka tō ngā, tō noa, tō ta, i mamata ko e whongai la a. Pea i he mālohi koe hawiriu kei nofo pe mālohi tatau, tā te whito ke potahi whakatonga ko ia hapai, ngā unu e vai pe ke toinga ko e potahi whakatonga ko ia o e otutonga. Toinga ko ia o e whiawhi ko ia pongpongi, e whiawhi whalaite lelei, whaiwhanonga tua i ke tua pō, kei nofo pe alo tā maki ua ko e ria ko ia wawau mo hapai, malawa ke lolo lahi ngai taimi, pea ia ua tu moto ma pe mai no pe alo maria ki ngoni wa kai pe he ki Tongatapu mo e wa whainga maria ki mo whangi ua tu moto ma pe ai ko ha vili ke malohi ai pe ia I he ngā eria ko na lave ko ki ani nei eria ko ia whakatonga ha pai o wa i fo ke whakatonga ko ia oe o tu tonga ko e fua mawhana ke no fo pe I he na tula tatau mo ngā hei fua mawhana ko ia o tau hana ki ai ki he pōni e ke no fo pe te glise sa se wa wha wanima ka to ki mawhana nge eria ko ia o ngoni watu pe ia me he hahake ko ia e haviri tene o mai ai ha ea o kutoe hau mawhana nge tau whai whanonga ko ia I he tokonaki ko e taimi ko ia o e tahi tau maria tahi I he whiawhini o se mene nima ko mehe walo mahatoka ia ki a hengi peko tu apo laine tu apo puni o se mene hongo folo ko ia me he ua ko e la ame mahina hopa la I he apongpongi to e hongo folo mahua ko ia ki he fitu to ia e whiawhi apongpongi I he to e wo folo ko ia ki he fitu to me mahina I he pongpongi a apongpongi neo ngō kāpi e mat koe, ka koe tonge e ma koe pongpongi, ka whātonga e ange kātoa e mahina I he whiawhini, pia e hopo ia I he laine koe ia, o e toi wa fitu koe ia, I he fitu. Koe ahani ma koe ka hako mai ki Nuku'alofa, tau whaiwhanunga atu mo e alo maari, ma mata ki whawhunga la tau te whita ki tōna ki mo e sāpate, bet e ha oha tūmoto ki he whiawhi mōni te, pia wha aupe ki au whia ange moha oha tūmoto. I e tūsi te ka mai pule luto ki ma whana ange e atu pe ia me he toke lau koe havili ki he kamatatu he mōni te oa o ki he pule luto. Ai ko fua ma whana eni, a o ki he tigiri se siasi tō noa, tō tahangi ko ulawe nei, ko toi whia tō pe whamamawha, ki he hau ma whana koe e a I he aho e tolu koe moni te tusi te mo pulelulu. Ka koe tau ngata anga pia I he whiawhini, ne ongo he kike mau hene pongpoki, ka te mau ki hoko ato e piha no tuku ato e ngahi whamatala, e a tau te whito I he taimi, anga mahini pe taimi o no pongpongi, taimi tahaho a tākai pe he ki he taimi whitu o e whiawhi. Tau te whito ke tau whai whanonga at koe ni I he whakaosinga o wike loloa koe ni tau tok whimata ki pe I he wike kahau. Kai mahalo pita mou kau mai, ka mou mea
Pe te loia mai tu o ngā oe ea ka tau toi wakaingi pe heni ki ngāhi ulo I o ngongo. Ngā ue ai wa apule wheu ngai poto ngā ue whakatau aki me langa whakalakalaka whaikanomika ki ona wakai I ngai pausa ne nau tāpō ni tuku aki I o kumahai loloro tonga aku kei toi kau hika tali ke toki hiki ai totongi. Whakaivia he kaupule ako me kau whai ako ako anga Egg Community School ai tau kei mo ilo whanau wako ki hana whakotuha na business I tau taha ke tokoni ki hana kaha o. Pea tata mo e hai whia ka inga I koulo haapai he whaiwhaiangi ko I ai ha anau holo whakakolo pe senta hufanga anga ke naunga kiai hili e tokoni me he pule anga siapani. Mo e kakatai pe ia ngā hiongongo mo le tio kai uma ai televisone to ngā ke houani mo whaka amo ne o taki kotoa to pe ia ki hana to whare kotoa. Kai malo e tau kei whi au mai ka mō mea.
Good afternoon and welcome to your English news package with Radio and Television Tonga News for tonight. Making headlines, fuel station accused of deliberate closures amid price hike concerns. Tonga is taking a strong stand for ocean protection on the global stage. And Koula community celebrates first ever community hall following Japan-funded handover. We'll have these and more stories later on in the bulletin together with sports to wrap up with the latest weather updates. Now for the stories in details. The government recorded 2 gas stations on Tuesday this week that were closed, claiming they had run out of fuel. However, there are concerns that the shortage was not real and it is suspected the station closed deliberately so they could resume operation under the new fuel prices announced yesterday, following a significant increase for the month of April. Liliani Boldele with more on that story.
Speaking at the press conference yesterday, Prime Minister Lord Fafanua said it is illegal for gas stations to close and forcibly claim fuel shortages. while they still have supply simply to wait for the price increase. He added that action is being taken against stations involved in this practice. The competent authority will investigate the matter and issue warnings to any gas stations found to be involved. CEO of the Ministry of Trade and Economic Development, Queen Tuihalamaka, said that while businesses in Tonga have the right to decide their opening and closing hours, concern arises when closures are done deliberately in anticipation of a price increase. Although Tonga's fuel supply remains stable, the government is preparing for possible disruptions, particularly if the ongoing conflict in the Middle East continues. In the meantime, the government is encouraging the public to use fuel more wisely and reduce consumption, including using bicycles or walking for those who live close to their workplaces or churches.
Tonga is currently participating in high-level talks at the United Nations headquarters in New York as part of the third session of the Preparatory Commission for the Marine Biodiversity Agreement. Let's take a look. The meeting marks an important step forward, shifting from negotiation to putting the agreement into action. Delegates are now working on the systems and funding needed before the first major conference in 2027. Tonga's delegation is led by its permanent representative to the United Nations, Viliami Va'ingatone. He is joined by officials from the Attorney General Office and Department of Environment. As a small island developing state, Tonga has highlighted how vital the ocean is to its people, supporting livelihoods, culture and everyday life. The delegation is actively contributing to discussions on current funding and international cooperation. Tonga is also working closely with regional partners, including Pacific Island states, to strengthen a united voice in the negotiations. Officials says Tonga remains committed to ensuring the agreement deliver real results, protecting marine biodiversity for future generations. The principal and teachers of ACT Community School are empowering and supporting students to develop ideas, practical skills and an innovative mindset to become future entrepreneurs. ACT Community School held its annual event, the Kidspreneur Market Day, at the Queen Salote Memorial Hall in Nuku'alofa yesterday. Liliani Polutele with more on that story.
Recognizing the importance of entrepreneurship skills, the school actively nurtures students' creativity and knowledge from the earliest forms to the senior levels. The goal is to prepare them to start their own businesses and contribute to the economic well-being of their families and the country. Speaking to Radio Tonga News, the principal of the school, Catherine Dupont, says the program begins from Form 1, not only at higher levels.
We have a program where we sit down and teach them. So like class 1, 2 and 3, they're maybe just learning what money is and what's the value. And then from class 4, 5, 6 up to high school, we go through different business ideas, how to develop a business idea, and then how to make something that's new and not the same as what everybody else is doing. So we're trying to promote creativity and innovation.
This is not the first time the school has conducted a market day, and Principal Tupo expressed excitement at witnessing the innovative ideas presented by the students.
We're really excited. We've seen some kids come up with some great innovative ideas. Some people are still on a learning journey. Even from last year, we've seen some kids, they came up with an idea for their market day last year and they've continued it on throughout the year and continued their own business. So we just want to give future generations of Tongans some tools to be able to be entrepreneurs and help our country.
Form 7 student representative Simon Audele expressed appreciation for the opportunity to learn these skills from a young age, saying it provides a strong foundation for their future. The school believes that nurturing these skills early gives students better opportunities and encourages a long-term commitment to entrepreneurship.
Diesel supply for electricity in Tonga remains stable for now with enough fuel to last the next 2 months. Let's take a look. Tonga currently has enough diesel fuel to keep producing electricity for about the next 2 months. Even though fuel prices have increased, electricity prices are still stable because there is enough diesel available. Tonga Power Limited says they are still working on and discussing a plan about what to do if Tonga reaches level 2, 3 and 4, as referring to higher stages of fuel shortage or risk levels. They are also planning to use renewable energy like solar and wind, especially at night when electricity demand is highest. At the moment, about 1.8 million litres of diesel are used each month to generate electricity. Overall, the situation is stable for now, but planning is ongoing in case conditions change. And the people of Ko'olo in Ha'apai were filled with excitement yesterday as they finally witnessed their very first community hall after many years. This follows the completion and handover of the new community hall and evacuation center to the community of Ko'olo, funded under the Japan Grant Assistance for Grassroots Human Security Projects. Liliani Poldele with more.
The new hall measures 170 square meters and includes a storage room, kitchen and bathroom facility. The ambassador of Japan to Tonga, His Excellency Inagaki Hisao, says the new community hall will provide a safe and secure space for community gatherings, women's activities and youth programs, while also serving as an evacuation center during disasters. The GGP grants program of the Government of Japan is designed to address essential needs at the grassroots level, including water, health and education. His Excellency hopes the residents of Ko'olo and neighboring communities will use this facility as a shelter during disasters. The total GGP grant amounts to about $128,000. The acting governor of Ha'apai, Dr. Siale Hausia, acknowledged the support from the government of Japan, saying it will help make the islands more resilient to natural disasters.
That is a local news for tonight. Sports is up next after this break with Pierre Ollier.
Welcome back in sport. The Crown Prince, His Royal Highness Prince Tupoutou Aukalala, has attended the handover of new VA equipment to the Nuku'alofa Outrigger Canoe Club. The ceremony was held yesterday and organized by DESNOC and the Nuku'alofa Outrigger Canoe Club. The equipment was funded by the International Olympic Committee through its disaster relief support. VA was among the sports affected by the 2022 eruption of Hungatonga Ha'apai, which damaged several canoes. The Crown Prince acknowledged the support from IOC and DASNOC in assisting local sports organizations. He says he is pleased to see efforts to support local athletes and their development. He also thanked DASNOC for its work in rebuilding sports affected by the eruption. In a statement, DASNOC says the donation was made possible through support from former IOC President Thomas Park. The project is valued at nearly 80,000 pa'anga and includes 7 new canoes, 3 V6 and 4 V1. Meanwhile, the Nuku'alofa Outrigger Canoe Club has thanked the Crown Prince for attending the blessing of the new equipment. The club says the canoes will support training and preparation for local athletes. And that's sports news.
That is Pierre Ollier with the latest sports. Now for the latest weather update to be presented by Petelo Taulaki.
Welcome to your Good Friday forecast. I know it's going to be a long weekend, but we will be focusing on this evening until midnight tomorrow. So it's going to be murky, surgy and gloomy conditions for many places. Things are still getting fine further towards the south by looking at the skies, especially for Tongatapu and Ewa. A change further to the north, things will start to clear off, especially for Nuku'alofa and Tongatapu. In terms of winds, we expected strong winds at times, especially for the southern waters of Tonga, southern of Hawaii, Namuka coastal waters, Tongatapu, Ewa, Tereki Tonga, and Tereki Tokelau. Lambe clouds are still popping further to the north and the central of Tonga, Nuku'alofa, Tongatapu, in some parts of Hawaii. And you can see the southern parts of Tonga, you can see some clouds is moving in from the east across to Tongatapu and Ewa. And therefore, we still enforce these warnings here for the northern and central, in particular for Nuku'alofa, Tongatapu, Vavau and Hawaii. Later this evening, we're going to remove these warnings once again for the northern, for Nuku'alofa, Tongatapu, till this belt of rain will be moving further to the south. But we will look about that in the next few seconds. For the coastal waters, we have a strong wind warning and small craft advisory are still there for the southern waters of Hawaii, especially for Namuka coastal waters, Tongatapu, Ewa, Tereki Tonga, and Tereki Tokelau. Viewing from space for the next upcoming 5 days, you can see here this disruptions still remains over to the center of Tonga. Some showers, some drizzle, and you can see once again another disruptions there is moving further, etching towards to the northern territory of Tonga by the end of this week, perhaps on Sunday until next week once again. But this spinning low pressure further to the west of Tonga, which we are talking high uncertainties at the moment, because other global models such as GFS and also ECMWF from the European totally predicted different scenarios from this event here. But for this evening, it's going to be widespread of clouds for many, some having hefty downpour, in particular for the center of Tonga, Vavau and Hawaii. And things start to clear so further to the north. As you can see here, those disruptions here is moving further to the south and further away from the newer. Significantly, the winds will be rising up to 20 to 25 knots at times, especially for the southern waters of Tonga and the southern of Hawaii. Our minimum temperatures will be around these significant figures, 23, 24, perhaps 25. And for tomorrow, starting off your Good Friday, we're still having these disruptions here will be remaining to the center, in particular for Vavau and Hawaii, some showers and some drizzle there, and things will becoming clear further. Once again, some sunshine to the north, Nuku'alofa and Tongatapu, perhaps to the southern of Tonga, Tongatapu and Ewa, we will be seeing some sunshine at times. And you can see our highest temperatures for tomorrow will be around these significant figures, 30. And perhaps 31 moving further to the north. And for the rest of your Good Friday evening for tomorrow, you can see this disruption, drizzle, some showers still remaining further to the central, still clear so further to the north and south. Once again, the winds will be becoming blustery once again to the southern of Hawaii and further all the way down to the southern parts, waters of Tonga. And our minimum temperatures will be around these significant figures here, still similar to what we are going to have for tonight. So thermometers will be reading out these significant figures in land areas. So for your tide predictions, we're having a high tide for this evening at 5 minutes past 8. Low tide will be tonight at 10 minutes past 2 a.m. Sunrise, we'll be having a sunrise for tomorrow at 6:48. Sunset will be 6:40. By later tomorrow evening, moonset will be 7:25 a.m. tomorrow morning once again, and the moonrise will be this evening. And for your information, once again, we are having our full moon by this evening. 5 days outlook for Nuku'alofa. That will be the end of our weather update for this evening. So starting off with Saturday until Sunday, we'll be having some clear spells, very strong sunshine, partly cloudy. But as we head towards Monday afternoon, we'll be expecting some showers there, even some cloudy conditions on Tuesday and Wednesday with some showers as well. Perhaps the temperatures will be reaching these significant figures, 30, 31. And I believe we'll be expecting once again humid conditions and warm conditions throughout Tuesday and Wednesday, moist air conditions. But that's all from us for this evening. I suspect that you are having a good weekend throughout this long weekend. I will see you once again on the next week. But we will be here once again to provide you your daily weather bulletin, of course, 6 a.m. in the morning, 1 p.m. in the afternoon, and 7 p.m. in the evening. I'll see you once again.
That is Petelo Taulaki with the latest weather update. And that brings up to the end of our news for tonight. As we head into this special time of the year, News team would like to take a moment to wish you a very happy Easter. May this season bring peace, hope and joy to you and your families. From all of us here, thank you for joining us and have a safe and blessed Easter.